unboxing. Okay, so it's really noisy, but I got a fake dumpling and a fuggler. So for the fuggler, I don't really know what. There's no like menu of what they have. I don't know what I'm really saying, but yeah. So I'm hoping for a pink one or something like that. Oh my god. It's really cute. It's so cute. Guys, this is so cute. It's like rainbow. There's also this. Oh my god, something by okay, so I got this one. That is so cute. Okay, now that's done, I'm gonna set him aside right there. And we're gonna get dumpling. We're gonna unbox the dumpling now. I don't have my nails to do this. Anyways, there's like a hole here, so I can unbox it. Okay, I got it. So noisy, guys. Wait, I hope I get the glitter and the pink one, but if I get any other ones, it's fine. Okay, you guys look first. What is it? It's the orange one. Oh my god. Yeah, this smells bad. Anyways, it's the orange one. It's not what I wanted, but it's cute. I love it. I have the pink glitter at home, but it's also fake. So yeah. Anyways, I got the orange dumpling and this little guy. Guys, I just noticed he has a button for his butt. Anyways, bye guys.